Hello, this is a history of oil and nuclear accidents by Clayton Dembski and Dembski.Fischler. So the point of this project was to show where particular events are in the US, and also show that we should be placing more importance on oil events rather than nuclear events in the United States. The first thing that we see after the description is a bar chart. This bar chart shows by decade the number of events of a given type that have happened. On hover, we can see the name of each event. The second chart that we see is the cumulative tons of oil spilled in the US from the 1940s to now. When the user ends up highlighting over a particular event, they can see the name of all of the events that have happened along with the number of tons that have happened that caused that particular difference. So, for example, there we had Deepwater Horizon, which was a very large spill size. The next chart that we can see is in yellow the number of injuries that have happened from given instance in the decade, and in red the number of deaths that have happened. Once again, on hover, they can see the particular event that happened that caused those injuries and fatalities. We can see that on average, the number of incidents tends to decrease. However, the incidents themselves tend to be more majorly impactful on the particular people who are there. The final thing that we see is a map of the United States. This starts out with a single data point, which is at the year 1940. It starts with a data point to generate intrigue from the user, to hover over the particular event, which shows the name of the event, gives a size map that relates to the impact of the event, and then describes the particular impact of the event. In addition, the state has a heat map, which is the number of incidents that have happened. On click of a county, it zooms into the county. However, on click of a particular event, we get a nice little description of the event, and we get a little window which can describe in full detail the event. Finally, users can actually play the data, which will place down the events onto the United States. They can toggle by oil or by nuclear data. Thank you very much.